Alright, guys, we're on a documentary. Here's my camera crew. Say hi, camera crew. Alright, we're on my epic new dirt bike. Alright, let's go, guys. We're going on documentary. Oh, I can't turn around. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, don't drop it. Oh gosh. Alright, guys. We're on another tour of the cat house, guys. This time, fuck it. We're going. I don't know where we're gonna go this time. Let's travel. I don't know. This creepy guy's house right over here. To my right, just wait. Right there, that one. That's creepy too. But there's this house up here. Right here, this one again. Oh god, I kicked the kickstand down. Alright, let's go. Oh, my dirt bike's not gonna stay up. Fuck it. Alright, guys. The fence is locked. We're gonna have to nigger hop the fence. Alright, this time let's not fail. Not again. Not again. Oh, I landed on a tree stump. Oh, God. Alright. That was creepy as fuck. Holy shit. I'm afraid to go explore the house. But, let's go. Alright, let's not fail. Oh, my leg's stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh. Alright, guys. Go around back. Show you the back of the house. Let me fix my camera. There we go. Right there it is. Oh my god, there, guys. We caught one. There's one. You guys see it? Back there. Do you see it? Look, right there. There it is. Do you see it right there? That little thing. Oh, god damn it. I'm running around the back. Oh, god. So creepy. Alright. Alright, let's go. We're going places now. Allie is going to be the hardest part for this job. Alright, we're going way too fast. Holy cow. Alright, we're here for the rare and majestic kitty cats, but so far we saw is 0, except that one by the tree. But we need to see some mature cats, guys. Alright, let's go. Oh, there's those dogs. No, those evil little Brave Hills of Mexican Chihuahuas. Oh my god, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, guys, we're kind of in cat territory. There is none that I see. Alright, we're gonna kick this into a lower gear. Alright, there we go, it's better. Easier little motor rig. Alright, let's see if there's any over here. Okay. Oh, this hill rapes, man. Alright, right there it is. There's one. There's the one. Let's go to it, guys. Alright, we're going to a cat right now. We found one. Oh my god. Oh, fuck the bike.